Yo guys, what is good? It's your boy Jalmong here, back again with another video. And today we're going over a pair of sneakers that I copped, then returned, and then copped again. Alright, so 2 videos ago, I did 2 unboxings. One on the Sabrina 2s, which I literally did a review on just last week. So if you missed that one, make sure to go check that out. But then the second sneaker that we unboxed was the Air Max DNs. Now, after filming that video, I did have some second thoughts on the sneaker. And I thought to myself, the colorway wasn't what it looked like in the pictures. So yeah, again, I kind of regretted picking those up. I thought that maybe they weren't the shoe for me. So what I ended up doing was I returned them. Now I did shoot some footage of me explaining why after I unboxed the sneakers, so let's go to that. Alright y'all, so I literally just unboxed the Air Max DNs and I really like them, but after looking at them for a little while, I realized that the color just is not the same as when I saw them in the photos. I thought the color was going to be a lot lighter, and this is a really saturated kind of purple. I don't really know if it's something for me, but I know that before I saw images of these online, I was really liking the platinum colorway that they have. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna return these and go for that colorway instead. I feel like that one's gonna be a lot more easy to wear. It's just something about the really dark shade of purple that, I know a lot of people do like purple. It's not really something that I like a whole time. If it's gonna be purple, I want it to be like a pastel or a very muted kind of purple, but this is just a little bit too much for me. So I probably will end up returning these, and then I'll get in the platinums in the mail and I'll do the review on that. So yeah, we're gonna have a little change in plans, but this is what it's gonna be. So yeah, back to the video. Alright, so yeah, as you guys know, I had the purple and platinum color originally. I wasn't feeling the colorway, so I ended up returning those, and I actually bought another colorway instead, and I think this one is going to be a lot easier to wear. I thought that the purple on them was just very saturated and very bold. Not exactly what I thought or imagined when I looked at the sneakers on StockX. So I did opt for a much more wearable colorway, so hopefully this one's a keeper. Also, before I unbox these sneakers, if you guys have seen all my social media handles down below, make sure to go give me a follow and make sure to go subscribe to all my stuff. I would love for me to expand the network of this channel. Make sure to go follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not had the chance just yet. I would very much appreciate it. But yeah, without further ado, let's open this box up, and yeah, we'll do a whole review on the new pair of Air Max DNs. What the heck? What in the world? No. This cannot be real. This is actually insane. I'm not making this up, guys. I thought I was gonna get a whole unboxing with my Air Max DNs, and I think Foot Locker sent me the wrong package because I got a pair of Crocs instead. What the heck? Okay, I need an explanation for this right now because this didn't even have a box. I knew that the box felt light, and I was wondering like if there was actually a box inside this box, but this is not even my Air Maxes. I literally got a pair of Crocs, and these are the Naruto collab, of course. What size is this even? Is this my size? I don't even know if I'll be able to fit these. No, this is a men's 6. How am I gonna fit this? They literally sent me the wrong pair of shoes. What the heck, Foot Locker? I don't know, guys. I am confused. I was expecting my Air Max DNs, but I literally have, as you guys can see, we do have the Naruto Crocs collab in the Itachi Uchiha colorway. Guys, I don't make this stuff up. This is actually really confusing. Okay. Well, I'm gonna see if they fit. I don't even think they fit. Alright, so we're gonna try these on. Again, they're a size 6, but let's just see how they fit. I mean, I can try to squeeze them in. Yeah, my toes like right here. So they kind of fit. It's just kind of crazy how these are a size 6 and they fit so big where I'm able to fit them. These kind of look funny. Now, Crocs are incredibly comfortable as a shoe. I know a lot of people like to wear them just because there's a lot of perforation and they're so easy to put on. But yeah, this is I never thought in all my years of liking sneakers that I'd own a pair of Crocs, at least not anytime soon. But yeah, this is what they look like on feet. This is funny. Alright, so I had a whole plan to do a review on the Air Max DNs, but I guess given that I already have a new pair of sneakers in my hand, we'll just do a review on this. I mean, this video is probably going to be titled like Foot Locker sent me the wrong sneakers. And yeah, this is not going to be at all what I was expecting to review today on my channel. But nevertheless, guys, I think that these are kind of nice. I mean, I would never get this sneaker for myself, but I still think it's a pretty solid shoe nonetheless. I used to watch Naruto all the time as a kid, and you know, 10-year-old me would be going crazy over this sneaker. However, right now in my life, I don't know if this is something that I would exactly wear. I know a lot of people do like Itachi Uchiha, and I thought he was cool. I was always more of a Sasuke fan. But yeah, I guess I have these in hand for now. Alright, so again, I was not expecting to do a review on these, so I have really no idea on what I'm going to talk about when it comes to this. But I gotta make a video today, right? I mean, I literally have a pair of shoes in my hand, and that's what we do on my channel. We review any new sneaker that we can get our hands on. So I guess we're gonna go over the Naruto collab with the Crocs. Never thought I'd be doing a Crocs review on my channel because Crocs are not really my thing. I know I've owned like maybe 1 or 2 pairs as a kid growing up, but after I've gotten into sneakers, I don't know, was not really a big fan on Crocs. But yup, I know with the Naruto collab with Crocs, this is pretty recent. I feel like within the last year. And I think this was pretty popular, but I still think that they are in stock, meaning that if you can go into Foot Locker, you can pretty much find a pair for retail. Now, as I said before, this colorway is inspired by the character Itachi Uchiha. If you guys don't watch Naruto, basically he is kind of like the anti-hero of the series. I don't want to spoil too much, but him and Sasuke have a really complicated relationship. But at the end of the series, you'll pretty much love Itachi and you'll understand why. Sadly, my turntable just died, so I don't know if we're going to have a chance to showcase the sneaker all that much. But I think that this shoe is a pretty solid collab nonetheless. I feel like they did a really good job when it came to this sneaker. So when it comes to Crocs, they are clog inspired shoes with a rubber construction running throughout. However, the different thing about this collab is that the shoe is actually not entirely constructed in rubber. On the top, we do have a rubber construction, which obviously you can see pretty clearly. However, in the midsole area, as you guys can see, it's pretty glossy, and this is because this is a carbon fiber construction instead. Now, this is a carbon fiber plate that is on top of the rubber panel, so this allows for more durability and support for the sneaker, the shoe. I keep saying sneaker because all I do is review sneakers, but this is not a sneaker. I don't think clogs are considered sneakers. They're clogs. But going back to the upper of the Crocs, we do have the iconic red clouds for the Akatsuki logo. Now, this is supposed to be similar to Itachi's Akatsuki style robe, and we all love that. If you guys have watched Naruto, you do know that the Akatsukis are insane. They're basically like a gang, and I think everyone wants to become a part of it. I wouldn't blame anyone. I think that the Akatsukis are super cool. I mean, it's crazy how they all have their own individual storylines and their reasons for being in the Akatskis. But Itachi is probably one of the coolest ones, if not the coolest one, without a doubt. And then on the left pair, which is the pair that I'm holding right now, we do have 2 Jibbitz. The first one is obviously the Mangekyo Sharingan. Dang, I just noticed that my inner weeb is coming out, and this is kind of weird and embarrassing to be talking about on my channel. I did watch Naruto a lot as a kid, so I do know a thing or two about the anime. And then the second Jibbit we got is the crow, which is obviously the animal that is associated with Itachi the most. Basically, whenever he appears in the anime and then he disappears, he kind of like disperses into like several different crows. I don't actually know if any of you guys know what I'm talking about, but just watch the anime. And as we move towards the back of the upper, we have that iconic Itachi headband logo. Now, the material on the headband is kind of like, it's durable. It's not plastic. It might be carbon fiber. I don't know if it's metallic, but you guys can hear that it's pretty hard and I think that this is pretty good quality, again, for a collaboration with Crocs. And then for the right pair, for the Jibbitz, we do have the Shuriken, and then a Chibi Itachi cartoon. And then obviously, as always, we do have the iconic back tab of the Crocs. Obviously, if you want to just go walking and slip it on when you're at the beach, you go up. But then if you want to go into sports mode and start running, doing a whole marathon, it would go down. And lastly, on the inside of the shoe, we do have the Naruto Shippuden or Shippuden icon, which obviously highlights that this shoe is a collaboration. Again, if you guys pronounce it Shippuden, let me know. But if you guys also pronounce it Shippuden, let me know as well. I personally pronounce it Shippuden. I mean, that's pretty much it when it comes to this shoe. I know that this is a collaboration, but when it comes to Crocs, nonetheless, they are pretty simple and plain. This is honestly a pretty spiced up version of a Croc, and I'm glad that they have so many things that they added to it for a collaboration. I mean, this was a sneaker that I just had no intention of buying, and they sent me by accident, so obviously I'm going to do a review on them. Sorry I can't say much, but here we do have the Naruto Crocs collab in the Itachi Uchiha colorway. How do these look like Air Max DNs in any way? Do you guys think that Foot Locker is reasonable for doing this? Because this was like surprisingly light for a package, and I should have known that they were gonna send me the wrong sneaker. This is the first time that it's happened to me though. But yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for today's video. We're gonna try to get those Air Max DNs in the mail soon because I do want to do a review on them. I feel like it's been long awaited, and yeah, I need this sneaker in hand now so we could talk about them, and I could wear them on my feet because I'm excited to own them. But now I would like to hear from you guys. If you guys watch Naruto, who is your favorite character from the anime? But if you're not a fan of Naruto, or if you've never seen the anime before, drop a comment down below letting me know what your favorite anime is and which one I should watch next. And if you guys liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to hear more from me, smash the subscribe button because more will be on the way. Again, please subscribe to my channel if you have not already because that would be appreciated. And once again, these are the Naruto Crocs collab that Foot Locker sent me by accident. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.